Written by Eve Bunting. Illustrated by David Wisniewski.
I am a yellow plastic duck, and I am in great danger. Yesterday, I was snuggled safe with hundreds of other bathtub toys. We were in a crate on a big ship. A storm came. Our crate was washed overboard. Down, down, down it went. We tumbled around inside, yellow ducks, green frogs, blue turtles, and red beavers. Bump! Crash! We hit bottom. The crate broke, and we bobbed like colored bubbles to the surface. The sun is rising now, and the sea is pink. My bathtub friends float all around me. Our ship has disappeared. The sea is big, big, big. Oh, I am scared. Fish with watery eyes come to stare. A sea snake wiggles itself among us. A great monster head rises close to me. Shark! I go from scared to terrified. The shark's mouth opens, and it gulps in a frog, 2 beavers, 3 turtles, and me. Things and bits of things are stuck in its giant teeth. Ugh! It shakes its head and spits us out. I expect we are not too tasty, though we are guaranteed non-toxic. I wish we could swim and get away, but all we can do is float. It is a relief when the shark goes. A wedge of pelicans flies above us. Oh, how I wish I could fly! I'd fly to safety. The frog next to me is turned upside down by a wave, then right side up by another. But we are drifting far from one another. Great sea spaces separate us. High on a sea swell, I see us spread across the ocean for miles and miles. The next morning, I have no yellow ducks, green frogs, blue turtles, or red beavers to keep me company. Like the ship, they have left, and I am alone. I can't tell how long I float on the big, empty ocean. There are days when sun sparks the water, when the ocean is blue with white ruffles. There are days when I float through rain. Days when wind blows me backward, tumbling me like a yellow ball. It is all the same to me. I only know the loneliness. There are days when fog hides me even from myself. Then I am lonelier than ever. There are nights of clouds and nights of constellations. There is a moon, and another, and another. The water must be colder now. Ice nudges me. Seals bark as I go by. Will I float in this ocean forever and ever? It is on a day of pale light that I feel the sea lift me, carry me, crash me down. I'm somersaulting over small stones. What is happening to me now? Someone is shouting, "I found one! I found one! It's a duck!" A boy's face is close to mine. We are nose to beak, beak to nose. Another boy rubs my head. "Hi, Ducky!" That's what I'll call him, Ducky, my boy says. His friend grins. "Good name, very original." "I need to report that I found him," my boy says. He gets on a bike. "Mrs. James is keeping a record for science." "For science? Me?" My gosh! Look at this! It's great to see so many of my friends again. Now we are in a room. My boy sets me on a table. "I found him down on the beach, Mrs. James," he tells a woman. "Thank you for reporting it," she says. She writes in a notebook. "I'll put it on my Ducks Found list. People are finding a lot of these bathtub toys around town. The scientists are so interested." "Ducky's coming home with me," my boy says. We ride to his house and he puts me in his bathtub. Oh, I am so happy. I am a bathtub duck fulfilling my destiny. How wondrous it is to be able to float.